Hello. Welcome to our tutorial on the Advanced Part Library in ZWCAD MFG. This tutorial will be divided into two parts, including how to use the parts in the library and how to add the parts you created to it. Let's start the first part. The Advanced Part Library provides a rich variety of libraries for users. It includes libraries of flowcharts and diagrams, lines, frames and tables, mechanical standardized parts, mechanical steel shapes, mechanical marks, mechanical hydraulics and pneumatics. We can also access them on the classic menu. Since the library of mechanical standardized parts is commonly used in mechanical design, we will use it as an example to learn how to use Advanced Part Library. And other libraries are used in the same way. The library offers parts that comply with many national and international standards, including ISO, ANSI, EN, DIN, PN and more. It allows you to insert various standardized parts into the drawing, such as bolts, washers, nuts, holes and screws. All objects not only have different sizes but also have different views, which allows you to insert side, head, or hiding views of mechanical parts. Select the view you want to insert, and click OK to insert the part into the drawing. After inserting the part, click it and the Attribute Editing dialog will appear. Click OK and you can do a lot of editing. For example, you can create an alternative view. Click on the 2D view, select the appropriate position and direction for placement, and select the length of the part by stretching it. If the library doesn't have the part size you need, you can also customize part sizes based on existing standard parts. Select the part you want to add a new size to. Click the Copy button, and the program will generate a new user directory automatically. Select it, click the Edit button and input the specific size you want. In this case, we add a 110mm bolt into the library. After that, click the part we just added and choose the view you want to insert. Click OK, and you can insert the new part into the drawing now. That's all for the first part. We hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Stay tuned for the second part of our tutorial.